Hi guys, welcome back to our old farmhouse. This is Amelia, and guess what? Someone joined our family today. Hi guys, so this is who joined our family. It's a cat. He's right now not liking me. His name is Chivy, but his middle name is Dog. Yeah, his middle name is Dog. And Sunday morning, that cat came to our door and meowed. And my mom realized, and then we picked it up, and now we have a pet cat in our house that does not like me. Yeah. He even has his own litter box. Do you poop in a litter box? I know you do. Do you poop in a box? But this is our friend. He likes this toy because I tied it to me, so he can have a toy. Toy. That's on me. That's how he is. And my little sister, as you've seen from one of the videos, she right now stole my camera.
How did the cat get its name?
Oh, because it got cold when it came to our house. So we named it Chivy. Then we found another name, and we're like, Doug? My mom and my brother over here said Doug, and the cat came right to there. And then Vivian, the cat Marlo likes Atlas, my little sister, and Vivian. So Vivian, it's Vivian's cat, but Vivian named it Chivy, and us two named it Doug. Hi, Doug.
It's either a boy or a girl.
We don't know. Monday we're gonna figure out. We're gonna bring it to the vet. We're gonna bring it to the vet on Monday because we don't know. We found it at the wood. It was in the woods, so we don't know what fleas it has or what.
Oh, it doesn't have any fleas.
But it's a great condition. It has 6 nipples. We're thinking. I know. A boy or a girl. And I'm about to yeet my camera. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.